Hi everyone, it is the 6th of May 2018 and now I'm showing you the results of the pruning that I've shown you in the previous video. So these are the one-year-old branches that I left on the plants, and as you can see they all went to flower, and also they didn't flower just in the apical part of the shoot, but they flowered even in lateral branches, so it will be completely covered in beautiful blue flowers because I added some iron to the earth, so that now the blooms will be all of an intense blue color. And also you can see at the base of the plants that they have developed some new shoots which are all really healthy and vigorous, that will be the ones that will give us flowers next year, 2019, while these one-year-old branches will be the ones that we're going to cut. So in the next clip I'm gonna show you the plants completely flowered. It's the 10th of June 2018, and as you can see the hydrangeas are finally flowering. You've got some which are opened, others which are going to open soon, others are going to open later, and this will allow us to enjoy a much prolonged season of flowers. The colors, as you can see, there are some which are pink, fuchsias and deep blues, which you can have if you put some iron in your soil. So this is the result of my pruning, which I've also uploaded on my channel, and if you want to have this such of flowering, you can try to prune as I shown. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.